What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to an episode of Super Mario RPG. In the last episode, guys, we made our way to Seaside Town. We actually also checked out Star Hill, where we got the fourth star piece. It was actually the easiest one by far, so it was a fun time, man. So definitely go check out the last episode. Today we were in Seaside Town, trying to figure out where the next one might be. And, well, consider the fact that we have a blue toad over here, not by, like, you know, his head, you know, because he's got, you know, black dots on his head. His skin is blue, which is not normal for toads. And he lets us stay here for free of charge. And he was also watching us sleep, which is really creepy, so wonder what that's all about. We'll figure it out today, obviously. We didn't have any new party members. I think all our party is always going to be Mario, Mallow, Gino, Peach, and Bowser forever. So, you know, that's a pretty cool thing, right, bro? Anyways, we're going to go ahead, put Peach back in our party, because we didn't really get to have Peach that much, right? Right. And we're always going to have Mallow here, because we need to thought peek every enemy in the game, guys. That's the thing that's the thing we got to do, so we're definitely going to be doing that. So let's check out all the monsters we fought in the last episode, guys, because that's a fun thing to do, right? Let's go. Let's get it. So, we did take on, that was last episode. Yeah, that was last episode. Okay, so, we have the Shy Ranger. We did go back last episode, to go thought peek some enemies that we did not originally thought peek, and, we happened to found the Shy Ranger. We didn't get to thought peek him because he ran away as soon as we started the battle, so, will we ever get to fight him? Who knows? We'll find out. Anyways, let's go see who we all fought in the last episode. We have the Throfer. Whenever the Throfers living on Star Hill look at the shooting stars that fall around them, they wish that this world was theirs. Oh, they wish that the world was theirs. That's interesting. So, there we go. And then we have a Gecko. Their eyes aren't spraying because they're dizzy. It's because they're so paralyzed trying to decide between all the attacks at their disposal. Which is quite a lot. Yeah, it's a lot of attacks. Then we have the Mastodon. A new third theory has arisen in the debate whether mastodons are mammoths or elephants, but the evidence for it is pretty bare bones. Oh, I should not have done that. That wasn't even funny. Anyways, we have a Sacket. Like crooks, Sackets run away on quick legs. If a crook and a Sacket met, which do you think would flee first? Probably the crooks, because they, probably the crooks, because they're jerks, and they flee, like, right away. So, yeah, this guy, he didn't flee right away, man. I thought peeked this guy. I'm like, oh, I gotta get him. Then we have Pulsar. We've already covered the Pulsar's idiosyncrasis in their thought peak. Feel free to look it up the next time you meet one. By the stars, you'll regret hitting me. Ha 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 ha. And that was it for the last episode. So, it's a pretty fun time. Let's go take a look. Not at the monster list again. Come on, game. Come on, dude. Let's take a look at the scrapbook. Let's see what we did in the last episode. We have the fourth star piece. We tracked the fourth star piece to Star Hill, a sacred place where stars fall. We must find the remaining pieces quickly for the sake of the ungranted wishes resting there. Pretty cool. Oh, that's part of the switch. Okay. Alrighty, so, yeah, let's get on with today's episode, shall we? Seaside Town, here we are, welcome to it. Hey guys, there is nothing of interest here, don't bother looking inside. You may not enter here, this is a restricted area. Yeah, something's wrong with these toads, dude. Something is definitely wrong with these toads. So, we're definitely gonna figure out what it is. Hey, what are you guys doing? I'm just a customer. Don't tell me you want supplies. I know. Do you want to buy or sell? Shopkeeper question mark? What will you buy? The throw for cookie. Muku 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 muka? What does this even do? Poison mushroom? Oh, I'm like, wait, does this poison me? What is this? Poisons an enemy. Fright bomb, fear attack on a single enemy. Fire bomb, ooh, these are really good. Okay, we'll buy one of these. Very expensive. One fright bomb, one poison mushroom. 69, okay, and one of these, okay. I don't know what muka? I don't know what that is. Thank you very much. I feel like this, I think we just gave, like, a zombie a bunch of freaking goddamn coins, dude. I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, we have another shop right here. In the middle of the ocean is a pirate ship. You'll find there is a pirate lives there. His name is Jonathan Jones. He isn't very nice. He went over to his buddy. A star has fallen into the sea. The pirate, probably. I mean, that man, Jonathan Jones, probably has it. He's nasty. So they're telling us that the star piece fell into the sea and some guy named Jonathan Jones has it? Oh, hey guy, what are you doing, dude? Come here. How do I... Ugh. You're collecting stars, right? Only 3 more to go. Yeah, you'd be correct. How do you know? I don't know. Well, whatever that pirate guy is doing, Jonathan Jones, he's obviously a jerk. If you want to enter the ocean, jump into the whirlpools. Okay? You will find the village elder in his house. He is the most respected person here. Okay? Hey, guy. They keep spinning and spinning. I mean, yeah, isn't this your shop or whatever this is? I honestly could not tell ya. I couldn't. I really couldn't. I'm guessing this is the village elder's house. Hey, guy.
Elder, finally, it took you long enough. I am the elder of this village. I got to my exalted station in life by pleasing my superiors, which is something I do well. A star has fallen into the ocean. I need it for a certain purpose. You must find it for me.
No, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Hey, Froggo. Hello there, you're Mario, right? Do you remember me? We met at Tadpole Pond when I was still a tadpole. Who? Huh? I've graduated from the Frog Sage's school, and now I'm searching for the meaning of life. It's been so quiet around here, it's almost eerie. Is something going on? It probably doesn't concern me, but if you have any frog coins, I've got some neat items to sell. See ya. Run from battles. Using this will not consume it. Earlier times. Use it to start a battle over. Using this will not consume it. Ooh, that's actually amazing. I'm gonna get this. And then... Ooh, this is really good. Why does it decrease everybody's stats except for Princess Peach and Mallow? Oh my god. Oh, this is really good, but... Why does Bowser's speed go down to 10? I'm sorry? No, I'm not buying that. Oh, here, I'll get this, though. Okay, maybe I'll eventually get XP booster, but not right now. Not today, boys. Who do you think I am? Okay. So, this building is apparently something that... There's something going on in this building. How does one get into it? I honestly couldn't tell you. Because I don't even know how to. Alright, let me take a little run through this place. See if there's any buildings I have yet to go into. Have I gone? Okay, yeah, I've gone into those. Okay, so we've gone into every building except for the one that they do not want us to go into. But as of now, there's no way in. So let's head over this way, I guess. Okay. Nothing's here. Guess what? Yeah, nothing's here. So, they said to jump into the whirlpools if we want to go to the pirate ship. How do I go to there exactly? No idea. Maybe if we go this way, we can figure that out. Oh, right here, the sea. Alright, here we go. The sea. Doesn't look like much like a sea. There's no water. Hey guy, who are you? Been a while since people came around here. Okay, we got a mid-mushroom. Ooh, actually, I could use a couple more of these. I have one on hand, so yeah, we'll pay 80 for one of these. Pick me up. I have 6. Okay. You can't carry any more. Oh, okay. So we have a max of those. It's like, okay, yeah. Party cleanse. Ooh, that's pretty good. Costs 50 though. I'll just buy one for now. All right. Super hammer. I think we already have that. We have that. We have that. The Hurley glove, a classic Mario toss attack. Okay, sure, we'll get that for Bowser. Yeah, we'll equip it. Why not? The sailor's suit, a sailor's suit. Defense up, but attack. Okay. Sailor's pants. Cape sailor dress. I'm not gonna get it right now because I'm running low on the coins. Since you shopped here, I'll tell you this. The ship sank into the briny sea because a giant squid attacked it. Some people went in to survey it, but they never came back. Probably a blooper then, because there's in every RPG every Mario RPG you can expect to fight a blooper. Let's see here. Paper Mario the King, we fought the Gooper Blooper from Super Mario Sunshine, and then in Paper Mario you fight the blooper in the Toad Town sewers. So it's like you're always gonna fight a squid, which is also known as a blooper. So it's like it should be expected at this point. 8 hours into the game, by the way, guys. How do we get over to there? I don't know, man. Whoa, what in the world? Oh, this is an enemy, okay. Zeostar. Got him. Ooh, we got a blooper. Alright, we'll go ahead and Thought Peak Zeostar. Got it. Can you believe I get confused with those no good Star Slap? Ah, this is the Star Slap's cousin. Okay, well, Mallow's poisoned. Hey, blooper. Get slapped, guy. Ah, he fleed. I didn't get a Thought Peek him. I'm sure he'll appear again. Wow, there are so many of these things. Luco! It's Luco! Oh my god! Once again, okay, I'll go again. Sure, why not, man? Let's face it, I can't keep drifting forever. Like, I didn't even take damage. What are you doing, dude? Okay. Why is Mario taking so much damage to that, dude? Hello? Okay. I had a cough, dude, so of course I didn't block that. Okay, we need to find a blooper again. Don't want to miss out on a blooper. Ooh, level up for Bowser. Let's go. Yeah, we'll get his attack up to 99. He's kind of getting there with Mario, too, right? He's trying to... I mean, I think. Oh, you know what? This must be the sea, right? This is the sea. It's just the water's gone? I really don't know what's going on here. Mallow must have some low speed or something. Because he never gets attacked second. Viroplasm. Yeah, okay. Whoa, she got a purple dress now. Okay, I messed that up. Whatever, he's dead. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's go. Blooper? No blooper. We have a special Luca over here. Definitely want to make sure we move our focus over to this guy. Yeah, that's going to do a good number on us. Surprised they're covering that one and not the other one. Like, screw the special version of Luco. We're going to heal the non-special one. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with him. Okay, we might use one of Peach's specials here to heal. Group Hug. There we go. That's like a full heal. Yeah, that is a full heal, actually. How much health does this one have? Like, jeez, oh, Petey's. There we go, he's dead. Okay, there we go. We got Froggy Coin. Zeostar's FP is gone. They have FP too? Apparently. Okay, well, he's dead. I'm gonna mushroom on Peach. Got a freebie. Awesome sauce. Okay. This guy should be way easier to take out than his friend. Yeah. It's way easier than the special version. Awesome sauce. We need to find a blooper again. Thank you, my wish is granted. I don't want to take that other one out. I'm going to defend. Because if I took that other Zeostar out, I think the blooper would have ran away again. Okay, we got it. I need to go spray my dishes. That... No, please actually don't go spray your dishes. He's gonna... He's a blooper, so he's gonna ink them. Oh, he fleed. He's like, oh, you're gonna hit me with your hammer? Alright, bye. Bye, guy. Man, there's so many of these guys. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. I know I sure am. I'm really loving this game. But, keep in mind, we are doing another RPG this year. Paper Mario: The 1,000-Year Door, so I'm really excited for that one. But obviously, you know, I'm like, well, before we do Paper Mario: The 1,000-Year Door, we gotta do Super Mario RPG. I mean, I promised it, remember? I did say back in December of 2023 that whatever I got for Christmas, I would definitely do a series on it, and this is one of the things I got, so, nope, had to bring it through, man. Had to go through with my wish. The bloopers just keep running away, dude. It doesn't even matter. Alright, we're gonna go ahead, swap Peach out for Bowser, because Peach is low HP. What? Whoa! Hello! Of course you're gonna attack Bowser. I love that you just throw Mario. That is amazing. Oh, Bowser. I think we might have to keep Bowser in here, bro, with that move. Ooh, I love it. All right, come here, guy. It's so good, dude. It's amazing. I love it. Okay, Mario gets to go again. I'm a Luco. Okay. Oof. Oof. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I love that. Okay, I messed that up, but it's fine. It's fine. We got Mallow here, man. Bowser, go ahead and finish him off. Blocked it, finally. Bada bing, bada boom. I love that move with Bowser, dude. Bro, I think Bowser's gonna be one of my people, man. Forever now. Alright, what do we get? So you're telling me... Oh, hey, we got a level up there. Somehow. I'm just kind of going, dude. Okay. We got like 2 level ups there. Mallory's level 13. And Gino. Ooh, it favors this. Well, it also favors this too. I will go this one. Okay, that's how you get to the pirate ship, that whirlpool. But I want to go check to see what this is over here. Ah, this is how you get over here. Okay, cool. And cool. Awesome, dude. That's amazing. That's awesome stuff right there. So... Oh. Well, okay. Oh, I guess... Well, there's the pirate ship, actually. And we're under the water now. Cool. Ah, and that's how you go up to the water. Or up above the water. Now, I am a little interested in something I saw back inside. But I don't know if we're going to be able to get back up. I'll go ahead and try. And it doesn't really seem to let me go back up. Unfortunate. Yeah, that's okay though. Alright, we'll definitely come back. Of course, we'll definitely come back. Alright, here we are. This is the pirate ship. Alright, well, let's head on in, right? Here we go. Sunken ship. What is this? There's a page from the travelogue. Let's take a look at it. We're done for. A giant squid just got a hold of us. This ship's going down fast. Okay. Interesting. Okay. There's a page from the travelogue. Let's take a look at it. We've managed to trap the giant squid in the treasure cellar. The treasure will sink with the ship, but so it goes. Where do we go? There's nowhere else to go here. The treasure cellar? Oh, I guess over here. Maybe this is what are you? Ah! Ah! The Greeper Researcher. The Greeper Reacher and Strawhead. This is who we all have here. Oh my god. Alright, well, we're gonna have to thought peek all of these ones. Okay. I'm gonna thought peek you, because I can easily defeat this guy, probably. Lightning. Can I have just a tiny bit of your soul? No. Absolutely not.
Oh, 27 damage! Ah!
Okay, come here, Reaper. Already thought peeked you, so I can get rid of you anytime I think I desire to. Yep, there he goes. Okay, he's out. Let's thought peek Reacher. Okay, Lightning. More and more. I've been thinking about returning to the soil. Scarecrow. Oh, frick. Now I can't do the Bowser thing. But you know what I can do? This guy, the Reacher's scared, dude. So I can do that. Oh, of course I missed the dude who's vulnerable to it. No, I didn't want to kill him. Alright, whatever. We'll definitely give him another chance. We'll get another chance with him, so it should be fine. That is so much damage. We got him. Peach, zonk one or more foes. Sleepy time, nice. Peach needs more health. We're going more health for Peach. Okay. Okay, I really... Really hoping for another dude, but okay. Let me go ahead and, what am I doing? Mushroom on Mallow. That's not even a lot. Well, we have 7, so we should be fine to do that. Okay. Come here, guy. What? Guy, come here. Well, this is not really the onslaught of enemies I was hoping for. Special... Oh, come on. Of course we get a special version. Because that's just my luck. He's weak to lightning, right? I think so. Elegant. Oh, you're right. Mario's one of the high hitters, so that is... Wait. Bowser should still be able to throw Mario. Oh, does he just throw a toy? He throws a toy. I think we might use lightning and Mallow. I'm gonna terrorize. Okay, he can't use special. Oh, Mallow can't use special either then. Which is just wonderful, dude. Okay, well, he's almost out. That does a lot of damage. Well, Mario's out. Yeah, we'll swap out Mallow for Gino. Oh, we should have done it with Peach. Can't switch right now. So that hurts. I will say that. That hurts. Alright, we're gonna group hug. What's our FP look like? 18. Okay, we're still fine. Ooh, we missed a note. Let's see this. There's a patron. Okay, yep. Let's take a look at the travel log. The door to the cellar is locked with a 6-letter password. To get inside, you'll have to figure out the password using the 6 hints. Okay. The 6 hints. Oh, yo, it's a Dry Bones! Let's go get him. And, of course, don't got Mallow here. Because, yeah. Alright, there we go. Now we have Mallow. Put me together, I fall apart. Always leave him wanting more. Get got, guy. Ow! You really gonna wait? Why are Bowser's minions attacking Bowser? I don't know if they're brainwashed or something by the one guy, the main enemy of this game, the main antagonist. Wait, protagonist or antagonist? You know what? It doesn't matter. You know what I'm talking about. Smithy, that guy. How tough are you? Maybe I have to use lightning. Well, I'm going to, so. Yeah, certainly worked really well. Yeah. Well, certainly worked. Oh, they'll definitely come back. Help me. Why? Why a special one? Don't want a special one. Get him out. That's right. You take that, guy. You take that. Oh, ooh, Mallow's resistant to that guy. Haha. Ow. Can't do it again. Okay, that's fine. Pain. I don't want to switch with Bowser. She's not in here. Go find her. Ow. Pain. What? Bowser! How do you miss? Oh, there we go. We got it. Poison gas. Poison foes. That's amazing. Really like that, man. Alright, it favors this, so we're doing that. I mean, I was gonna do that regardless. So, Jesus, man, Mallow. My God, Mallow, come on, dude. Is Peach able to group hug? Okay, she is. We're gonna do it, and then we're also going to. Oh no, that Dry Bones is coming back. We're gonna do a flower. We'll do a flower tab. Why not? There we go. Full refill. I know, you probably said to yourself, it's just a pile of dusty old bones. Think again! Okay. Oh, I know I can... I can do that. Yeah, that... So yeah, all you gotta do is just shock them and then they're dead. That's really easy in my opinion. So the dry bones are pretty easy. They're pretty easy foes. There's a page. Okay, yeah, let's take a look. Uncover the secret of the 6 hints. Since they're provided by different people, they'll be tough to solve. Maybe impossible. Okay, can't get up there. Alright, well, let's head over this way, shall we? Oh, hey, hello. Are you different rats? Jesus. Engemax? You're new. You are definitely new. And then you're a alley rat. Okay, he ran away. There's other alley rats, so it doesn't matter. Group up? Yeah, right. Can we go home yet? I'm hungry. Okay. I think they were weak to lightning or some crap. Stop doing that, guy. Because if they're weak to lightning, I'll just shock them. Yeah, I'll go rid of them real quick. Alright, come here, alley rat. And of course, there is another one. Ow! Ow, did you just bite Mario? Jeez, come on, guy. You gotta bite Mario like that. Alright, we'll go ahead, Thought Peak, alley rat. Alright, fear, cool. What's that big Mario guy doing looking at a... What's that big Mario guy doing looking at little old me? You bit him, so obviously nothing. You bit Mallow too! Guys, stop it. Alright, we need Peach out here, like, right now, dude. We need Peach out here right now. Therapy. You know what, let's just do sleepy time on this guy. Oh, he dipped. Oh. Ow. I'll pick you up, Mario. Thanks. You're welcome. Stop throwing bones at Bowser, dude. I'm gonna throw a plumber at you. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to fight more of you guys. Come on, dude. Don't bite Mario again. I'm gonna throw Mario at you. Yeah, now he's wrecking at you real close, huh? Nice try, guy. Whoa. Whoa, you're like forcefully going for me. You are actually trying to get me at this point. Maybe not. Maybe he's just running around like the rat he is. What are you guys blocking? Definitely something, so I guess I have to fight you. Oh. Or I'll just go under you. Oh, because you guys are flying in the air. Ooh, okay. Hey, Paratroopa. What is going on here? Yeah, I'm not really too... Come here. Can I get you? I can't reach you. I can just go under these guys. Yeah, they're in the air. I just go under them. What? Yeah, I might have messed that up. That's not good. Okay, that's good enough. That might work? Oh, okay. I see. Right here. And then right here. Yeah. Keep this one moving. Maybe? No, I was a little off with my placement. No, that one's... Okay. That should work. That worked. Ooh, hello. The Adventurer Indigo Jr.'s memo. It is found on the bed of the ocean. What is? You care to, explain? I'm sorry? Okay, you know what? Maybe this is good that I have to fight this guy. Come here, Mallow. Strawhead, give me this guy. Lightning, perfect. Whenever I reach out my hand, there you are. Die. Get slapped. Oh, you're gonna poison her, okay. There, that got rid of all of them. Okay. Okay. 3D maze. Okay. Yeah, no, this is fine. Everything's fine. '3D maze. What? Oh, wait, what the heck? Okay, we're here now. That's good, actually. Oh. Oh, that sucks. Is there anything over here? No. Did it! Ah. The second expedition team's memo. It has two vowels. Okay. Now, is this in... Where are these being put? I'm not sure, honestly. Anyways, hopefully we can keep it, but all I know is there's 2 vowels, so, you know what? Alright, that means we can, in fact, do this one. I don't know how. We have to, like, what, knock this down? Oh! Oh, you just gotta get the... Okay, let's reset the room. I know how to do this now. Okay, because he follows us. There it is. The Adventurer Indigo's memo. There is an S in the word. Okay, there's 2 vowels and there's an S in the word. 2 vowels and an S is in the word. Okay, we already have vowel, so we're good. Alright, we win. Okay, I could not... They're not a tough enemy to defeat, but... Okay, whatever, we have to fight them again. They got up like almost immediate. Ow! I mean, it's free frog coins. Okay, we got them all. Hey, guy. Hey, it's good to see ya. What do you got? You just got this stuff. Okay. I'll give you a hint. The password's got something to do with the sea. Even if you don't get through all 6 of the obstacles, you could try to deduce your way through. You could try to deduce your way through. Good luck. Thanks. Alright, we should be able to sneak past this guy. Indeed, we are able to. I'm guessing we have to collect all these coins. Yeah, that's probably what we're meant to do. I just fell and messed it up. Okay, go, 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 go. I think we got it. But nothing happened. I'm gonna try that one again. That doesn't seem right. I feel like something should happen. Yeah, because it's back. Oh. I might have accidentally collected the coin that's spawning the other coins in. I don't think I want to collect that coin. So I need to let it get a little ways ahead of me. But not too far ahead. See there, I was too slow, and that caused me, what? Huh? Okay, this is just, you know what, I'm running away. I don't want you guys, get out of here, go away. Don't even know why that happened that time. Didn't happen the other times. Obviously, I think you're meant to fight these guys, but you don't have to. And if I don't have to, I don't have to, because these guys are pretty tough. Dude, oh my god. If you fall once, you're screwed. Oh my god, why does it go right there? Okay, weird, but alright. Let's just pretend this is the first time we're doing it. Dude, why do I always fall right there? It's so stupid. There we go, I got it, guys. The search party Onyx memo. It is very valuable. What? Huh? What? What is this one? Huh? I don't understand. Because I can't hit those ones. I mean, I can stop it, but... Ah! Okay. I see. Okay, that is... It's interesting to say the least. Okay, so you have to hit it. Oh, depth perception, dude. The depth perception here is not on my side. I'm sorry, dude? Yeah, I see the... Okay, just... I'm gonna watch the shadow, dude. My God. There we go, we got it. Okay. The 4th investigation cruise memo. It is actually a they. What? This doesn't make any sense. Anyways, I think I have to fight this one. I can't sneak past this guy. So this is a battle I actually have to do. Unfortunately. Alright, we're gonna start over to Bowser. Okay, got that guy out. Okay, we got him. Alright. Where's Yoshi? God dang it. Oh, that would have been really huge for us, too. Anyways. Alright. We'll go ahead and save. But with that, I think it's going to be it for today's episode of Super Mario RPG. If you watched my video, please comment Pirate Cat so I know you're a cat. Don't forget to subscribe to join the cat. But I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.